Have you ever wondered why certain smartphone features are exclusive to just a few countries? Well, Samsung's decision to offer a 16GB RAM variant of its Galaxy S25 Ultra in select regions has left many scratching their heads. Let's break down what's happening with this exciting yet limited variant of Samsung's flagship device and explore the reasons behind this choice. Samsung's recent Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, California, showcased the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, which includes the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. These devices boast incredible specifications, but one detail has caught the attention of many tech enthusiasts. While all models come with 12GB of RAM, the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra has left fans wondering why it doesn't come with a more powerful 16GB RAM configuration, at least not globally. The twist here is that Samsung has indeed released a 16GB RAM version, but only in 3 countries: China, South Korea, and Taiwan. You might be wondering what makes these markets so special. Let's take a closer look. In China and Taiwan, the 16GB RAM version is paired exclusively with a 1TB storage option. This means that if consumers in these regions want the highest storage capacity, they're getting the full 16GB RAM experience. Interestingly, no 12GB RAM option is available for the 1TB configuration in these countries. Meanwhile, South Korea gets a bit more flexibility. Buyers there can choose from the global configurations, which include the 12GB RAM options with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of storage. In addition, South Korean consumers have the exclusive opportunity to pick the 16GB RAM version paired with 1TB of storage. Now let's talk about pricing. In China, the 16GB RAM version is priced at 13,699 Chinese yuan, reflecting its premium status. In South Korea, the same version costs 2,249,500 Korean won, while in Taiwan, it's available for 56,900 new Taiwan dollars. As you can see, these prices place the 16GB RAM variant in the luxury category, making it a high-end choice for those who crave top-tier performance and don't mind paying a premium for it. So why is Samsung limiting this configuration to just 3 countries? The most likely reason is that these regions have a strong demand for cutting-edge technology and are willing to pay more for devices with the most advanced specifications. In places like China and South Korea, consumers have shown a greater preference for powerful smartphones, and offering this high-performance variant allows Samsung to cater to their needs without complicating its global product lineup. It's a strategic decision to focus on these markets where demand for such a premium configuration is highest. For the rest of the world, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is available with the 12GB RAM configuration, and this is more than enough for most users. However, the exclusivity of the 16GB RAM variant in select regions may leave some feeling envious, especially those who desire the ultimate multitasking power or the bragging rights that come with owning the top-tier configuration. As for the question on everyone's mind, could the 16GB RAM variant make its way to other regions in the future? Unfortunately, history suggests that this is unlikely. Samsung has never introduced exclusive configurations like this to other markets once they've been launched, especially with flagship models. Once a decision like this is made, it's typically set in stone, meaning that unless you're in China, South Korea, or Taiwan, you're likely out of luck when it comes to the 16GB RAM variant. For those thinking of importing this premium version, it's essential to keep a few things in mind. Not only could shipping costs and regional pricing add to the expense, but differences in software and network compatibility could make using the device outside of its intended region more complicated. It's always wise to consider the full picture before committing to an import purchase. Samsung's choice to offer the 16GB RAM variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in only 3 countries highlights its strategy to cater to specific markets. While it may disappoint some, the global variants with 12GB of RAM still deliver excellent performance. It's fascinating to see how such decisions shape the future of smartphones. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have you ever imagined holding a smartphone that is so thin it feels almost weightless, yet still packed with powerhouse features? Well, Samsung just teased a glimpse of their upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge at their Galaxy Unpacked event, and it's already sparking a lot of excitement. Along with the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung gave us a sneak peek of this device, and it might just be the game changer in the smartphone world. The Galaxy S25 Edge is making waves even before its official release. Though Samsung hasn't provided a specific launch date, it's expected to drop sometime later in the year, likely in the 2nd or 3rd quarter. While we only got a brief teaser, it's clear that this phone is aiming to redefine what a sleek, stylish, and ultra-thin device can look like. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its incredibly slim profile. While we don't know the exact measurements just yet, Samsung has already given us enough to know this device is designed to be as thin as possible without sacrificing performance. This slimness is paired with the same futuristic design language as the rest of the Galaxy S25 series, which means it's both elegant and functional. The back of the device features a minimalist look, boasting just two cameras, perfect for those who appreciate a clean, streamlined design that doesn't clutter up the overall aesthetic. But don't be fooled by its thin design. The Galaxy S25 Edge isn't just about looks. It's expected to feature a 6.7-inch screen, offering vibrant colors and an immersive visual experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or playing games, this display promises to keep you captivated. The power behind the Galaxy S25 Edge could come from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, a top-tier chip that is designed for peak performance. With this chipset, you'll have no trouble multitasking, gaming, or streaming, as it's expected to handle all these tasks with ease. Along with 12 gigabytes of random access memory, RAM, and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, this device should offer the perfect combination of speed and space. When it comes to the cameras, the Galaxy S25 Edge might only have two rear lenses, but don't let that fool you. These aren't your average sensors. The primary camera is rumored to feature an astonishing 200 megapixels, promising some of the sharpest, most detailed images you can get. Whether you're taking photos in bright sunlight or low-light environments, you can expect your shots to come out crisp and vibrant. The second camera will be a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor offering 3.5 times optical zoom. So if you need to capture something from afar, this camera will allow you to zoom in without compromising image quality. While it doesn't have the vast array of cameras seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this dual-camera system is still highly competitive in terms of both quality and capability. However, there's one concern that comes with a device this thin: battery life. It's common knowledge that slimmer phones often come with smaller battery capacities, which might leave you wondering just how much power this phone will offer. While Samsung has yet to provide specific details on the battery, it's likely that they will find a balance between design and functionality. After all, with the impressive specs this phone has, you'll want it to last throughout the day. The Galaxy S25 Edge might not hit the shelves at the same time as the Galaxy S25, but that could actually work to Samsung's advantage. This delay could give the company extra time to fine-tune the device and build even more anticipation around its release. By the time it hits the market, it could set a new standard for what slim smartphones are capable of. Samsung is always pushing the envelope when it comes to design and technology, and the Galaxy S25 Edge looks like it's going to be no exception. Is the Galaxy S25 Edge something you're looking forward to? Would you be willing to trade in your current device for a phone that combines cutting-edge technology with an ultra-thin design? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you're just as excited as we are about the Galaxy S25 Edge, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on all things Samsung. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.